Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. Friends, there is no option from Instagram app to officially check who had blocked you. But with the help of some tricks and tips, you can easily know that your friend had blocked you on Instagram or not. In Instagram, you simply need to search the Instagram ID of your friend. In my case, I will search for my secondary Instagram account. Now the first one is my secondary account. Now you simply need to press on the ID of your friend. Now as you can see in my secondary account, I can see all the details. But if this ID had blocked me, then I may see number of posts, follower or following, but I will not able to see the post. Like in this case, I am able to see this post. Now I will simply block my ID from this ID. Now my this account is blocked. Now we will try to repeat the process. Press on search and here enter the Instagram ID. Friends, it's highly possible that you will not be able to find your friend's Instagram ID if he or she had blocked you. But in case you able to find your friend's ID, then you simply need to press it, and after opening you will able to see all the details, but you will not be able to see his or her post. Like in this case also, you are not able to see any post. So friends, the simple thing you need to keep in your mind, that if you are not able to find your friend's Instagram account in your Instagram, then it is highly possible that he or she had blocked you, or in case you able to find his account but after opening his profile you are not able to see his or her post, then also it is highly possible that he or she had blocked you. So friends, by the help of this simple trick, you can very easily able to know that who had blocked you on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.